Wrap up on Orogo Television. My name is Frances Olisa Obunaya, but of course you can call me Tabitha. On the news today, we'll start with Lagos State, where a 19-year-old girl, simply described as Fatima Agboke, has actually stabbed her 19-year-old friend Farouk Aziz to death over a heated argument. It was reported that the two young friends were just arguing, having normal chat before it escalated, leading to Fatima stabbing Farouk Aziz at the back of his neck using a broken bottle. The authorities have stepped into the case. Sad one. And still on the sad stories, we go straight to the capital city, Abuja, where a suspected Yahoo Boy has been arrested for confining his girlfriend in a room in a hotel, simply named the Stop View Hotel in Abuja, allegedly trying to use her for rituals. The men of the Nigerian civil service